Hello everyone, we have another video from Jim. This is from Thursday, September 5th. Let's have a look.
Thursday afternoon. Let's quickly show the time and sales and the computer clock. September 5th. I'm interested in longs only. Earlier this morning, this is the chart that I left on when I left the house about an hour before the market opened. So what I did here is, because I left the house about an hour before the market opened, I just wanted to make sure nothing severe will happen. So I implemented a 5-minute higher time frame, and as long as the higher time frame was bullish, I would take longs only. So it didn't really matter, even though here when the market opened the higher time frame was bearish, so I missed this initial trade. I still caught this one for a very quick 1-2 punch and reached my daily target for that account. So now waiting again, longs only, don't want to take any shorts, looking for longs, looking to retest the daily high of around 86, 87. So I would like to take a long right around 60, 61. On this one I have a $500 target and stop, and 2 contracts with a 20 and 80 tick targets. So if I do take a long around 60 or 61, then before this swing I would have reached my first target, which is good. And then, I would not be surprised if we retest the daily high of 86 before the day is over. We'll probably, let's see if we get in a trade here, and then I'll put the recording on pause, because I imagine it might take a while. This is the afternoon. As I said in my previous couple of videos, I can only trade afternoons and Globex. For the next few weeks, just not in the house after 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So I still leave one chart trading on its own, and then when I come home, that's when I try to take an afternoon trade. And Globex, I did trade Globex last night, of course. Bulls only, reached my target there. Unfortunately, I don't have a recording of that. But it was, it was a no-brainer. If you watch the video from yesterday, I was talking about higher prices going beyond 77.40. So once Globex opened up at 6 p.m., I just went long. With a funded account, I just cannot keep a position overnight. Now, when they say overnight, they really mean in that 4 to 6. It's not even 4, it's like probably a quarter after 4 or whatnot, until 6 p.m. So I need to be flat after 4 p.m. Then I can take another position at 6 p.m. A little annoying and I think unnecessary, but gotta abide by their rules. That's how it is. Unless you want to trade your own account, and in my case I have no reason anymore to trade my own account. I can just trade their money. On this chart, by the way, on this template, the precision trend exit is disabled. In other words, I don't want to be out of the trade just because there is some kind of a test of lower prices. If it takes me out with my stop loss, that's fine, but not because there's just a test of lower prices. Let's see if they'll get us in. Randy was talking in a video yesterday about the importance of just deciding if you're going to be long only or short only. And I think, to me, this made the biggest difference. when you look at a chart, especially higher time frame chart, let's say 5, 10, 15 minutes, even 1 hour, it's very difficult to be wrong on a direction or decide if the market is trending or just ranging. So obviously in this case right now, all higher time frames that is, show that we are trending up. So you can say, well, but if you did not have a bias, you could have taken this beautiful short right off the high of the day, right? So you could have taken a nice short, let's say at 81. And then, wow, you could have gotten 20 points, look. And that's fine, legitimate point. But I think it's very important to have your rules. And your rules really should be written down. And one of my rules is I do not go against market trend. The only exception is if I see a very obvious, let's say, resistance area. If the market is trending up, there's a very obvious resistance area. And then I would look for a confirmation that indeed that resistance area would hold. Then I might consider a short. But overall, trading against the bigger trend is always, I think, a lot more difficult. And yes, you will miss out on some very nice counter trend trades. And you have to be okay with that. I am okay with it. I am absolutely okay with not participating in short trades right now that could have worked out. And as a matter of fact, then I can participate in a long trade and get stopped out. And again, I am okay with that because it's part of my plan. My plan is not to get stopped out, obviously, but my plan is to, as much as possible, trade with the trend. All right, I'm going to put this on pause because who knows how long it's going to take. As soon as we're in, I'm going to resume the recording. I think we should get triggered in over here. Yep, here we are. So I like this price. I like it. I got in lower than I thought I would. I was ready to get in around 60, 61, and now this is my first target. So I am happy with the location. My stop is way down there at 42, which is good. Yeah, I'm gonna put the recording on pause. I have a good feeling about this trade. Quick move up, and first target achieved. First target is just 20 ticks. And the second target is all the way up there at 75. All right, yeah, so it should work out. I'm gonna put the recording on pause and resume when we get close to the second target. All right, so to my surprise, got stopped out on my second half of the position. They're really going lower than I thought they would. I would still take a long if they reverse over here, because I do still believe in higher prices. But if they go much lower, then yeah, that's really surprising. So long again. Gotta stick to my plan. I am long again. Definitely, if I get stopped out, then that's it for the day. I'll stop out for the day, but I just think they gotta go higher. All right, hit first target again here. Still down a bit, but I have a position from this area here, and I hope to get before the day is up to 65. They should be able to do this. Well, 3 o'clock, and I'm hoping to get filled here. Here it is. Okay, good. So at this point, I will disengage, I should say, the Autotrader. Since it's 3 o'clock, 1 hour before market closes, and I don't want to end up accidentally with an overnight position. So not terrific. Again, short of the $500 daily target. As you can see. It was just really sideways, and I was really taken back. I did not expect back here them to go down so deep. I did expect somewhat of a retracement, but not this, and it pretty much just got me. And then I got into a second trade. Oh, you know what, I keep forgetting. I just don't like seeing prices sometimes in front of me, so maybe. Right, so on the first trade, got first target and stopped out on the second. And over here, first target, and then after all this time, got the second target. They'll probably go higher, but I'm gonna stop here. So shy of my daily target, but trading in the afternoon is definitely a very different animal than trading in the morning. I miss trading in the morning, and I hope to come back soon and be able to trade the mornings again. Overall, though, pretty good day between the two charts, and once again, I think I will trade the Globex. Hopefully this time I'll remember to record it. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.